Now, a few weeks ago, Nowhere out of California sent me their countertop 30 pounds a day ice maker. And this little dude is, I mean, it's really great. It's perfect for an outdoor kitchen. It's not too big. It sits up on the counter. I can tap it into my main water supply where it's automatic water, or I can sit there and just pour the water into the reservoir. And today, that's what I will be doing, is pouring the water into the reservoir, because we need to make smoked ice, and we start by smoking the water. Alright, so the first thing that we're going to do is let's get our pit open. Oh yeah, rolling smoke really good. We're just going to put this pan right up here on top. And our next step, we're just going to pour some water over in here. Now I'm using cold water. And I do also have the offset smoking with cherry and oak wood. These two wood blends very well with cocktail drinks. We're going to get our lid closed here, and we're going to let her smoke for another 1.5 to 2 hours before we pull this off. And this is what we ended up with. Oh yeah, smoked water. Alright, first thing we're going to do is take our glass, and man, we're going to get us some of this good old ice up in here. And you take the whiskey of your choice, whatever you want to use. Me, I prefer a good southern whiskey. We're going to go a little bit more. I like a good strong drink. Wow, man, that smells so good. And I like to give a splash of Dr. Pepper. Ooh, that, my friends, is good cocktail. It's got a nice smoky aroma to it, coming through the smoked ice. That's a game changer. You can do this with any cocktail of your choice now by utilizing smoked ice. I can't say enough good things about the little Nowhere Nugget ice maker. It's been a fantastic addition to my outdoor kitchen. And now to be able to sit here and make smoked cocktails for myself or my family or friends that are over, that's a game changer for sure. Y'all be sure to give it a try. I know it probably seemed like a lot using a big offset to smoke a little bit of water to make ice with, but the reason I chose that is for the fact that it is a true offset, and I'm able to feed pure wood to it, where it's getting a very clean smoke. Where if I'd have used something like a kettle or Kamado, it still would have been great, but it wouldn't have been as good, in my opinion, for the fact that you're adding smoke, but you're adding a little bit dirtier smoke because you're smoldering wood in them type of cookers. And there's nothing wrong with that. So that's all you got. Hey, use it, do it. If you have a smoke tube, that might even work out even better for you. But for me, I wanted to use the offset, and I'm glad I did, because that is just a very clean, warm smoke to that ice. Like I said, it's a game changer for me, and I do need another drink of that. That taste, the smell when it hits you when you grab it, I love it. Y'all be sure to give it a try. I'm Derek Jones, and I'll see y'all next time here on Smoky Ribs.